For this video, we will find the value of side C, and ang given po lang natin ay only angle B and angle A. So the first thing that you have to do is first to get the angle C, yung opposite sa side C din natin, okay, which is angle C. So we know that the interior angle of the triangle is 180 degrees. So that's 180. So we just have to add all interior angles. So that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So that's 180 is equal to angle A, which is 37.416. Okay, plus the angle B, which is ito 56.283, so 56.283 plus yung si C natin. Okay, because we don't know the value of C. So, transpose lang natin and use your scientific calculator or your calculator. Makakakuha po tayo ng C na 86.301. So, that's our angle C. Okay. So, now, we already have our angle C. The next thing that you have to do is we will use si sine law para makakuha tayo ng at least one side. Okay, then let's express that in terms of C. So let's use na lang si angle A. So that's sine of the angle, which is angle A, is 37.416. Tapos over yung side ni A, which is si A then, ito, okay, side A, is equal to si sine C. So, si C yung gagamitin natin kasi of course, si C yung kailangan nating makuha. Okay, so angle C, which is, ito siya, sine 86.301 over si C. Okay, yun yung hinahanap natin. Then, what you have to do is to cross-multiply. Cross-multiply natin siya para makuha natin, okay, si A in terms of C. So, by cross-multiplication, magiging A is equal to sine 37.416 over sine 86.301 times C. So, makikita nyo dito, cross-multiply natin siya. And then, by using our calculator, you can get A to be equal to 0.609 C. So, we have here A in terms of C. Next is, we can now use the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 times, in this case, we have A times C sine of B. So, this formula is applicable sa lahat po ng type of triangle. Basta, yung angle natin dito, si sine B, is siya yung included angle ni A and tsaka ni C. What do you mean by included angle? If we go back to our figure, ang B, naari siya din ito yung B natin, okay? Included siya or in between siya ni A at tsaka ni C. So, this is B as our included angle. So, again, this is applicable to all type of triangle. Basta, this is the two sides and this is the included angle of the two sides AC. So, given po dito yung ating area, which is 8346. So, let's go back. That's 8346 square meter times is equal to 1/2. And our A is in terms of C, that's 0.609. C times C again, ito. Okay, and then the sine of our angle B, which is 56.283. So, we have 56.283. Okay, so we have here, so if you will use your calculator and transpose it, you will get 16692 is equal to our C was 0.5065 C squared. Bakit naging C squared yan? Because as you can see, C times C is C squared. Okay? And then, ang gagawin mo is you have to divide this one, both sides, by this 5065. Of course, maka-cancel out yan. And then, yung matitira dito, so magiging ganyan na siya. And now, for us to get rid of the square root, I mean the squared, is square root natin both sides. So, the answer will be C is equal to 181.5 meters.